Bausch Ströbel presents to you our SME 6060. It's a labeling and assembly machine for syringes. We assemble here a backstop and also a plunger rod. We are doing the printing here of the label with our partner VideoJet. It's a very reliable, functional module that we use there. It's a Dataflex 6530. It gives you a very high output, up to 400 per minute. That's what the machine is supposed to do. We have control by a video camera if the print is okay. If not, we can also react on that. Every part that you see here is developed and manufactured and engineered by Bausch Ströbel.